About this item. Superior storage and multitasking. 64GB high-bandwidth DDR5 RAM is equipped to smooth multitasking across applications and browser tabs. 4+4TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive ensures fast bootups and rapid data transfers. Ultimate multitasking, powered by Intel Core i9-14900, 24 cores, 32 threads, 36 MB Intel Smart Cache, base frequency at 2.6 GHz, up to 5.8 GHz at max turbo frequency. Delivering reliable and responsive performance for everyday computing with Intel UHD graphics. Technical specifications: 10x USB Type-A, 1x USB Type-C, 2x mic-in/headphone out combo, 1x RJ45, 2x full-size DP port and Wi-Fi ports make it easy to connect external displays and peripherals for seamless productivity. Outstanding screen performance, Windows 11 Pro. Organize open apps with pre-configured layouts to optimize productivity, navigate with more intuitive experience to get things done, collaborate with teams with more features. Professional upgrade. The original seal has been opened solely for upgrading purposes. A 1-year warranty on the upgraded RAM/SSD is provided by PC Online US, while the remaining components retain the original 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Product information. Additional details. Operating system: Windows 11 Pro. Specific uses for product: business. Personal computer design type: mini PC. Color: black. Hard disk description: SSD. Hardware interface: USB 3.0 Type-A, USB 3.0 Type-C. Item dimensions: 10.6 by 3.7 by 12.1 inches. Item weight: 9.3 pounds. Hard disk interface: PCIe X4. Style name: i9-14900. Memory. Memory storage capacity: 64 GB. RAM memory installed: 64 GB. RAM memory technology: DDR5. RAM memory maximum size: 64 GB. Memory speed: 4800 MHz. RAM type: DDR5 RAM. Processor. Processor series: Intel Core i9. Processor speed: 2.6 GHz. Processor socket: FCBGA1264. Processor count: 24. CPU model: speed maximum 5.8 GHz. Input devices. Human interface: input buttons, mouse. Item details. Brand: HP. Model number: Z2G9. Model name: Z2G9. Built-in media keyboard, mouse. Processor brand: Intel. Model year: 2026. CPU model number: 14900. Warranty description: 1-year limited warranty. UPC 198122224-2443. Manufacturer: HP Incorporation. Best sellers rank. Hashtag 66554 in computers and accessories. See top 100 in computers and accessories. Hashtag 2367 in tower computers. ASIN B0H9WSL5T9. Graphics. Graphics description: integrated. Graphics RAM type: shared. Graphics card interface: integrated. Display. Display type: LCD. Ports. Total USB ports: 11. Connectivity. Wireless compatibility: 802.11x.